Welcome to Masterclass with Anna. Today we will explore what is accounting. If you're an IGCSE student or an A-level student or even a professional qualification student like ACCA or have no background in accounting and want to understand the very basics from the very start, then this video will be helpful to you. Accounting is merely a record-keeping exercise. Simple, isn't it? A bit too simple? I think accounting has a very complicated relationship with simplicity. But, anyways, we like recording financial data, okay? All the financial transactions of a business in a particular period. For example, business making a sale to a customer or paying an expense. We record this data in some books, right? We have to record it somewhere. So we record them in books. These can be manual or in a computer. It doesn't matter. We like calling these books books of accounts. And to make our life more simple, we classify and categorize, like we create separate categories of books. We don't record everything in one book, okay? So we have to have different types of books of accounts. And once we have recorded all the detail and everything, then we prepare a summary, which is just a list of balances. And then we extract some reports from this summary. And these reports, we like calling them financial statements. Yeah. And again, we have different types of financial statements, which are usually prepared every year, but you can prepare them anytime you want, really. But these financial statements tell us how well the business has done in a particular period. And why do we prepare these statements or these reports? We get some information from them. And you must be thinking, but why do we need this information? We need this information to make decisions. And of course, you can guess what type of decision. Yes, financial decisions. Business has to make so many financial decisions. If it should produce this product or not, if it should sell this shop or not, if it should buy the new machinery or not, if it should spend on marketing or not. So not just the business, I mean the outsiders as well, they need this information. So the information generated from the financial statements, it's very valuable to a number of stakeholders, not just the owners. So if you come to think of a proper definition for accounting, that is, accounting is a systematic process of recording, categorizing or classifying, summarizing, and reporting financial transactions of a business to get useful information for decision making. All the steps that are involved in the actual accounting process. So they form part of the accounting definition. And the whole process, if you look at it in the form of a cycle, you record, you classify, you summarize, you report, and then you repeat every month, every year. But not that simple, right? Because we like things a bit complicated and then turn them into simple things again. So we record the business transactions into books of accounts, which we call day books or journals, and we have 6 types of them. And then we classify them into ledgers and then prepare a list of balances, which is a summary, and which we call trial balance, and that's the summarizing part of it. We have to post some adjustments, and then we have to prepare the financial reports, the reporting part of the accounting cycle. And we have 4 types of financial statements. 2 of them I've mentioned, 2 of them you want to guess or Google maybe. But you'll get to understand all the stages in detail when you study accounting. But this is just a summary and overview of what we accountants or the accounting departments do every single day. So they keep repeating the accounting cycle, okay? And once you're done with the definition of accounting and accounting cycle, it's recommended that you understand some of the key accounting principles. There are quite a lot of them. This is merely the theory part of it, but it's recommended that you go through them and then understand what chart of accounts is, and then the accounting equation. I'll be creating videos on all 3 of the above, detailed videos, so that we follow the logical sequence of accounting. It's very important to understand it effectively. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to get back to you soon. Thanks.